Hi everyone, it's that time of the year again when I actually do most of my shopping for all of my all-time favorite products, and Skin Beautiful RX is having their Black Friday sale. It is starting early. It is starting right now. It is 30% off almost everything on their website. They carry so many of my favorite brands, and I'm sure many of you that follow me, many of your favorite brands are sold at Skin Beautiful RX as well. So if you've been waiting, like I have been waiting for this big sale to take place so that you can stock up on your favorites, now is the time to stock up. I'm going to leave all of the sale information down below this video. I will also leave my discount code down below this video as well if you want to take advantage of the 30% off. Also, this year they are giving away amazing free gifts with every single purchase. I will pop up some pictures of the first tier free gift that you get with purchase, the second tier free gift that you get with purchase, and then the third tier free gift if you are about to do some serious damage like I'm about to do. This third tier free gift is so exciting to me because the value is almost like $350 value, and you get all of it for free. Of course, it all depends how much you spend on their website, but I have run out of a lot of my absolute holy grail favorites, so I have been waiting for this moment to stock up. In today's video, so it's not super duper long, I want to just share with you 5 of my all-time favorite products that I cannot stop raving enough about, that I highly recommend. That, I mean, they have completely changed my skin. So the very first product I actually do not have, I ran out of a couple months ago, but I've been waiting for her sale so I could pick it up. It's the SkinMedica TNS. Now, I have done videos on their older formula that I loved, and for months Leah kept saying, no, you have to try their new advanced formula. It has more growth factors. I know you're gonna love it better. It doesn't have that funky fragrance. It's just an all-around better serum. And I'm kind of stubborn, so I was like, yeah, I know Leah's like a famous esthetician, but she just doesn't know how amazing the original TNS is compared to the advanced. Well, I finally had to break down and try the advanced when they stopped making the original, and she was right. You guys, I've tried a ton of different growth factor serums, and while many of them I do think are nice, I have never seen skin transformation the way I have with the SkinMedica TNS. So for me, I get the exact same results that I had with the original formula, but it doesn't have that funky kind of yeasty smell, and this new advanced formula has a ton more growth factors in it. What this does basically for my skin, so this video isn't super duper long, but it makes my skin super firm and super glowy, and I notice I don't have hardly any texture. You know, so many skincare products, it takes 6 weeks, 8 weeks, or 3 months to see results. I saw results using this product within 2 weeks. That's probably one reason why I love it so much, is because sometimes I'm a little impatient and I want super fast results. So that is my first product that I'm stocking up on. All right, the second product that I ran out of probably 2 months ago, and I purposely did not rebuy it because I knew this sale was coming up, but I also wanted to see like what will happen to my face if I stop using it. This is the Osmosis Catalyst AC11. I have done quite a few videos on how phenomenal this product is. I stopped using it all over my face because I kind of wanted to save a little bit and only concentrate it on my eyelid. There are very few products on the market that we could actually put on that tender, sensitive skin on our eyelids, and the Osmosis Catalyst is one product that you can put on your eyelids and it will help lift and firm any sagging, crepey, loose, droopy, hooded eyes. And they even have studies, I think the results were around 11% or 15%, somewhere around there, of an actual difference where it actually firmed up, lifted the eyelids. And I have to tell you, it makes a huge difference. I notice it more since I've stopped using it, but now the skin on my eyelids, it's not as firm. You know, I can really pinch a lot of it. I mean, I shouldn't do that because I don't want to stretch it, but I can really pinch a lot of it when I use my Catalyst AC11 on my eyelids. Within maybe about 4 weeks, 5 weeks, that skin becomes nice and tight. You know, I've had hooded eyes ever since I was born, but the hood, the skin that kind of sags and hangs over, it's not as loose. Again, it's not gonna make your eyes, look like this, but it does make a noticeable difference. You can even go back to some of my videos where I was showing how much I love my Catalyst AC11, and when I pinch my eye, there's hardly any skin that I'm pinching. But now when I pinch the eye, I mean, I feel like I have so much, oh, stop doing that, Sherry. I don't want to stretch out my eyelid skin, but there's so much loose eyelid skin compared to how my eyelids are when I use it. So it's also something you can use all over your face. I had a little broken capillary right here underneath my eye. It was very faint, but I could see it in a zoom in mirror, and I don't have it anymore after using the Catalyst. So there's so many amazing studies behind how remarkable this product is. There's a reason it has so many 5-star reviews. I mean, it really has changed so many people's skin. All right, this is my all-time favorite retinol treatment product. This is by the brand Truth Treatment Systems. This is their newest 5% retinol serum. And this is not a retinol that I would use every single night on my face, because this is the most potent retinol product pretty much, I think, on the market. There's just nothing else like this on the market that does what this product does. It has very few ingredients. It doesn't have a bunch of nasty fillers and things that we don't necessarily want to put on our skin. But what this is a super duper concentrated retinol treatment serum. This also has a high amount of their non-irritating form of vitamin C, their THD ascorbate, and it's already formulated with both of those ingredients together, so you don't have to try to play chemist in your bathroom and try to figure out what products you can layer together. But this is a treatment product that I would use about 2 nights a week, sometimes 3 nights a week. This is very potent. A lot of people still use their prescription strength Retin-A. A lot of people still use just like a basic retinol product throughout the week. That's what I do. And then 2 to 3 nights a week, I use this as a really intense retinol treatment. This product gives me instant results when I use it. Now, of course, it's just because of the amazing ingredients that are in here that give me that beautiful glow. But of course, it's the way this is formulated with the super high strength retinol, and of course, the non-irritating form of vitamin C that over time is going to give me really great results. That's going to help build the collagen in my skin that works really well at minimizing any fine lines and wrinkles that I might have on my skin. It just makes my skin look so healthy. And you know, using a retinol in with my normal skincare routine, to me, that's just an absolute must to use a retinol product in the evening. But if you just want to supercharge your routine and you want a retinol product that's just going to kind of take your skin to that next level, you know, maybe you don't want to get rid of using, you know, your other retinol products, use this on a night, of course, that you're not using another retinol. But I don't think I've heard anyone say anything negative about this product. Now, they do have a lower strength, a 1%. So if you are new, you know, or if you're already using a super low dose of retinol, you might not want to start out with this big boy, because this one is no joke. It's just such an amazing product. If you're able to work your way up to this high strength, you're gonna love the way your skin looks. But if you're looking for an amazing vitamin C serum, especially to use during these dry winter months, this is one of my all-time favorite vitamin C serums. Now, I just shared with you the Truth Treatments retinol product, and this has their THD ascorbate vitamin C in it, and they also have a separate vitamin C serum that I absolutely love. But this one I feel like is a little more elegant. This also is a high strength of the THD ascorbate non-irritating form of vitamin C. This is by a different brand that I love almost everything from this brand, but this is my favorite product from them. This is by Revision Skincare. This is their C+ Correcting Complex 30%, and this has a high dose of that same type of non-irritating form of vitamin C, the THD ascorbate. So if vitamin C serums break you out or irritate your skin or just make your skin feel raw, that will never happen with this. Plus, this one is supposed to be able to penetrate a little bit better into the skin versus just kind of sitting on the surface and causing irritation. Not only is it helping to build collagen, this is also great for fine lines and wrinkles. Using a product like this, I noticed that my skin gets really bright, and it just looks glowy and healthy when I use this. Another product that I quickly want to mention, because I'm actually going to do a full detailed video on this product eventually. This is their Revox Line Relaxer. This comes in this size. It also comes in a smaller size. You know, if you've never tried it before, just try the smaller size, but this is also 30% off in the sale. You guys, this is one product that tons of dermatologists recommend, especially if you're someone who gets Botox or fillers. This will help your injectables last even longer. A ton of people say that when they use this product, of course in combination, you know, with them getting fillers and Botox, they say that they can stretch out the time that they have to get their injections so much longer, because this product helps to keep those wrinkles away even longer. The thing I'm loving about this is something that kind of blows my mind. I get excited when I put this on, especially around my upper lip. I'm getting those little lip wrinkles, which are so annoying. When I put this on, I can feel the skin where the wrinkles are. I can feel it like plumping up like a sponge that you just dip into water. I can feel the skin like reacting with this and just starting to swell up. So I love to use this, let it soak in, and then I put my City Lips lip plumper on over top. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. But I'm gonna do a detailed video because I actually want to show you the before and after results, but I don't know if I'll get the video done before this sale ends. So if you wanted to look into this product, it is loaded with amazing ingredients. And like I said, a ton of dermatologists are highly recommending this particular product. All right, this is another product. Maybe you're not into skincare, but you're dealing with hair loss, or your hair's thinning, or your hair's shedding. This product right here, this is probably my third bottle. I've been using this now for probably 2 years. I used to use it every single day, but I don't need to every day anymore, so it lasts a long time. Actually, I have more than enough in here, so I'm not gonna restock on this right now, but I wanted to share this just in case you've been looking for a product that will make a big difference in helping your hair to thicken up and grow back if it's, you know, been shedding and falling out. This is by one of my favorite brands called Neogenesis, and this is their hair thickening serum. But what it's helped for my hair, I'll see if I can find the pictures and pop them up in this video. Otherwise, I will link a detailed video down below of what this has done for my hair. My hair was really thinning, especially here. You know, I'm 50 years old. The older we get, we might deal with stress, illness, and you know, just hormonal things that can cause our hair to thin and fall out. This helps kind of thicken up the hair and helps it to have like a very healthy environment so that the scalp is healthy, and then the hair will grow thicker, faster, fuller, and this really has made a huge difference in the health of my hair. These are supplements by the brand Osmosis. This is their Regenerate, and this is their Elevate. I won't go in great detail on what these do. I'll leave the links down below so you can look at the ingredients, but this one, I love this for liver detox. This is also great for collagen renewal is what it says, but the thing that I've noticed, the results that I get, why I keep using this, if you deal with any of those bumps on the backs of your arms, that keratosis pilaris, I don't hardly ever get them. But when I do get them, I get right back on this supplement, and I notice that this takes it away like really quickly. And then one other supplement from the brand that I love, this was actually recommended by one of you guys that follow my channel, and she had told, this is their Elevate, same brand, Osmosis, and this says it's for immunity, mood, and metabolism. And it says it may elevate your immunity, your immune system. It may also elevate your libido and your mood, and it may elevate your energy and ATP. I was kind of hesitant to start taking this at first because she said what it really does is it elevates her libido, and I was like, oh my gosh, I don't want my husband to know if I try this out. And then he's like, let's put it to work. So, but I started taking it. This stuff is pretty darn amazing, I have to say. You only take 2 of them a day. Now, the main thing that I notice with this, I'm pretty much always in a good mood, you know, anyways. I try to kind of, you know, keep it low-key in my videos, but typically I am very goofy. I'm always telling stupid jokes, and I'm just very corny and giggly most of the day. So I always, pretty much for the most part, am in a pretty darn good mood. But sometimes it's hard for me to be in that good mood because since I haven't been working out like I should, you know, I'm not really eating what I should since we're traveling. Sometimes I notice that my energy level is not, you know, where it used to be. Now that could be because I just turned 50, you know, with hormones, things like that. But I will say, even my husband, now he knows that I've been taking this, but mainly because he's like, well, you have so much energy. Like, it's a calm energy though. I don't have any nervous energy or any of that, you know, like after drinking 12 cups of coffee type energy. I just have like this healthy energy where I want to move my body. I want to, you know, stay active. I'm wanting to do things. So my husband calls these my sexy pills. He's like, have you been taking your sexy pills again? So, you know, if you're struggling in any of the departments of what this supplement says it may increase, you might want to look into this, because I will say this is probably one of my top supplements, especially pretty much anything from this brand. I mean, they make everything like fabulous products. So of course there are a ton of other products and brands on Skin Beautiful RX's website of some things that I absolutely love, but I wanted to not make this video too ridiculously long and just share, you know, some of my top all-time holy grail favorites. All right, so I'm gonna get back to shopping on Skin Beautiful RX so that I can take advantage of this sale before hopefully anything sells out this year. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in like an hour in the next video that I already have prepared for you.